Hello students, in this video we will discuss about how to find the area if two figures are given and some region bounded by both figures, then what will be area of that bounded region. As like area between two circles or concentric circles, two concentric circles, area between square and circle, circumscribing circles, or area between circle and a rectangle. There are many such figures combined to two figures, and some problems given how to find the area of region bounded by both curve or both figures. Now, for the better understanding, we take here one example. Find area of region bounded by area of region if a circle draw inside a square, if side of square is 5 centimeter and radius of circle is 2 centimeter. As you seen here, since circle inside the square, suppose this is a square whose side is 5 centimeter, each side will be 5 centimeter, and radius of circle, whose radius of circle which is inside the square is 2 centimeter. What will be region between circle and square, that is this region? If we find the area of this region, then first find the area of both figures separately, and again adding or subtracting according to the question, we can find the area between both figures. Now in this question, since area of circle equal to pi r square equal to 22 upon 7 into square of 2, this will be 88 upon 7 centimeter square, and area of square is equal to square of side, that means square of 5 equal to 25 centimeter square. Therefore, bounded area or area between square and circle will be, or area of shaded region, you can say that right here, area of shaded region is equal to area of square minus area of circle. That means this will be area of square minus area of circle. This will be equal to area of square. Already we have calculated area of square is 25 centimeter square, minus area of circle is 88 upon 7 centimeter square. That means 25 minus 88 upon 7 centimeter square. This is the area of shaded region.